Let's talk about tracking and separating your business money. I recommend that you do this from the very beginning. Again, got that same disclaimer. It's always best that you consult a CPA or get legal advice because I'm not an accountant, I'm not a lawyer, and I don't play one on the internet. So, like I said, it's best that you start as early as possible. I'm a huge proponent of keeping things as simple and as easy as possible while you get your bearings on Amazon. While you're just getting set up, I figure why not just keep it simple? And then as you grow in your business, then you can make things more official, you can get things set up differently, and you can put a lot of things into place. One of the areas that makes a big difference come tax time, though, is having all of your business funds separated from your personal funds. So this is really, really important, especially when it comes to accounting. It doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be quote unquote official. It just has to be separated so that you can keep track. So I recommend that you get a separate account for your business. You can open a separate checking account. It doesn't have to be an official business account. Business accounts often need to have a business license, but you can open a second personal checking account, oftentimes for free. I also recommend that you use a separate credit card for all of your business purchases, and this can even be just the debit card that comes with your new checking account. If you already have a credit card set up or you already have a second bank account, you could use those as well. It's just really helpful to not have a bunch of personal transactions coming through in your business account. This makes it easier for accounting. If you have a separate account set up, you know that all of the transactions are business related. You can then connect your checking or your credit account up to an accounting software so that you can keep track of all of your profit and loss. I personally use GoDaddy Bookkeeping as my main accounting program. Some people may consider this too simple, but I personally have found it very useful from day one of running my Amazon business, and I even used it before when I was selling on eBay. Along with keeping your business funds separate, I also recommend that you keep track of all of your receipts. You will want to have receipts for all of your business-related purchases. Hello tax deductions. It's important that you keep receipts for all of your startup expenses, any educational purchases that you have, like this course, for example, any supplies that you buy in the beginning or throughout your business, all of your inventory, and anything else that you see as a business expense. Again, this is going to be one of those things that you talk with your accountant at the end of the year, but it's really important that anything that you consider a business expense, that you have the receipt with it. So there are a few methods that you can use for saving your receipts. One is that you can scan right into your accounting software. So like I mentioned, I use GoDaddy accounting, so I can have an app on my phone and I can scan the receipts right into the app. You can also use a scanner that's connected to your computer like a printer and scan it that way. You could also use a service like Shoebox. This is where you put all of your receipts into an envelope, send them to Shoebox, and they will scan them all for you. Another very simple and easy way to store your receipts is to just put them into an accordion file folder by the month. Now, I'm going to be honest, I'm okay if you just want to throw all of your receipts into a literal shoebox. It's just important that you do keep track of them. Since you're going to be keeping your money separated from your personal money, you are going to have records, but it is important to have the receipts as well. Here you can see what it looks like when I pull up the app on GoDaddy. You can see where it says photo. I could just tap that section and I can take a picture of the receipt and then I'm good to go. Or you can use that accordion file like I mentioned before. I'm going to put some more resources below that are going to give you some more information on keeping your business funds separated, the rules about that, and then some links to my favorite tools that I use for my receipts.